how to stop WhatsApp from automatically downloading photos, videos, and audio files, which uses data and stores space. So on mobile device, go ahead and open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen, and on iOS you can tap on the settings tab in the bottom right corner. Then go ahead and open your settings. Tap on storage and data that you will find between notifications and accessibility. Go ahead and tap on that. Now go ahead and tap on media auto download settings, and you will see three different options under media auto download, which is while using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, or when roaming. So change the settings for each one. Tap on the option that you want to change and uncheck the boxes next to photos, audios, videos, and documents to stop them from automatically downloading on your device. And then tap on OK to save your changes. After you do this, WhatsApp will no longer automatically download your media files. This will help you save data and storage space on your phone. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.